guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today I just want to give you a quick update about my iron, because a lot of people ask me about my iron, like what do I use. So this is the one that I've been using for the past like 3 years for my Perler beads, 3D Perler's creation and all that. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened, because I think the power has been jumping, or like it went out of power, and somehow the electrical outlet was not working anymore, so I can't use this anymore. It's been like 3 years with this, and like I use it so well, like I'm going to miss it. A lot of people ask me about this little sticker. My son gave it to me. He got it from school. He knows I like Hello Kitty. So, you know, I just stick it on here, but I'm not gonna throw this iron away because, you know, it has a lot of memory with this. So I'm just gonna, you know, find a spot to place it. But I got my replacement, so I want to show you what I immediately got. I went on Amazon and I checked out this one. So as you can see, it has no core. So it comes with a base for the charging, like this. So it's about like double price of what you usually get. This is like almost I think it's $60. So I thought it's gonna be so good because I don't have to like worry about the core. So when I got it, I was so excited to put it on and all that. But the first thing I noticed is so heavy. I was like, oh, this is not really ideal because it's too heavy. And then I don't know for what reason, but it has a smell. So it has water in there, but it says it's because it has to be tested. But then somehow it has like the steam smells, and when I was doing the Perler melting part, the smell got so strong that I need to like, you know, take it outside of the room. So I was like, you know what, this one just not meant to be. So I decided to return this one. Yeah, so I was in the process of returning. So in the meantime, I think you guys know previously I have this little tiny iron. It's actually pretty good. I really like it. You know, it's a travel size, so, and it's very lightweight, so I super like this one. It's just because I make a lot of like big project, and then like for this one to go around it, sometimes I can keep everything in place. So maybe I'm ironing here and then the paper is picking up beads on the other side, so it's not very ideal for like big project or even big 3D perlers, because you make a lot of giant pieces. Even smaller pieces, sometimes like you're on one side and then the other side will be flipping up the beads, and you know it's like a crash. So but for smaller project, I will love this one. And if you go travel and you're gonna do it, you know, make your Perler bead designs, or even mini bead, this one would be perfect. Yeah, so at the meantime, I was using this one before I get my iron. So after that, I was like, you know what, I just want something simple, lightweight, nothing fancy. But again, if you like this one, you want to check this out, I'm going to put the link down below in the description, so you can also check out this iron. It's one of my favorite as well. So in the meantime, I really had to get one that is good, lightweight, and I just decided to check it out from Target. So I think this is like the regular brand for a lot of other like products, so Black & Decker, and it's not expensive. I can't remember right now. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description if you want to go check it out on Amazon, or you can check it out on Target. I think maybe 20 bucks. Yeah, so 20 bucks is pretty lightweight. It has the core, but it does the work that it needs to be done. You know, will do the job. And then like, I think it has different setting, but so far I just go to the maximum, the max, then, you know, that is the perfect heat level for my Perler beads. And I like that I can use the tip, and it's very similar to the old one that I have. So this is the one if you want to go check it out. And it's, like I said, the size is perfect. It's the same size as the old one. Yeah. exactly the same. So like I'm so used to this size, you know, it can iron the whole piece. So I would totally recommend it so far. I still smell a little bit when it was new because this has the steam, it has water inside. Hopefully over time it's gonna go away. If you know any solution, let me know, comment down below. Yeah, so I concluded that this will be the one for me for a long time. And then meanwhile, when I go travel or I do Perler beads, mini Perler bead, I'm gonna use this one. And then the other one, the cordless one, I'm gonna return it. Alright, so today I just want to share my iron and give you an update of my old iron. If you asked how come I don't use this one. Alright, so see you guys next time. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!